Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Yeah, we have a whole heap to discuss, my people, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So let's just kick it off with Dancehall Queen Spice, because you know the people them all, yeah, they're nice with her, and no matter how much good she does, and she's getting chastised for buying her kids another house, specifically Nicholas for his 18th birthday. As you can see in the beginning, the sender said she just can't get a break, and she's been doing this before Cartel. You know what I mean? Well, before Cartel was buying houses for his kids. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, people, major victory for RT Boss. Yes, as we've been telling you, Spice doesn't have a case against him. Well, in this case, per se, against her. Because, you know, she defamed his name by saying, you know, him scandal bag some little boy and all of them things, yeah. You know what I mean? And you know she hasn't contested the lawsuit since June 27th being served by a court officer. So, you know, this thing is official and she can't just ignore it. You know what I mean? Because she'll be in like some court default. But as you can see, RT Boss posted today that Spice begged him, you know, to settle this thing out of court. And, you know, she will give him $2.5 million. Yes, people. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because he respectfully declined and wants to take this to trial and have, you know, a judge and jurors deal with the thing. You know what I mean? Because she's just too famous to be paying these peanuts, these crumbs to him. You know what I mean? She's up on national TV in America. She got keys, you know, to the city in Florida. All of these Fox 5 interviews. She's the queen of dancehall. So, you know, she have the Prime Minister and Lisa Anna Locke. You know what I mean? She's on tour with World Boss Vibes Cartel. You know what I mean? And she used her big platform to defame his name. And them can't make no more money out of you. He said, I said my besties. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. He wants a whopping $6 million US. He said, I said, no, a lot of people is saying him better take the money before him go to court and get none. You see it, but you know, these people don't know nothing about the law, and that's why she wants to settle out, you know what I mean? Because you can't bring hearsay upon your situation, you know what I mean? Even though some other people brought it up, but they're not as popular as Spice. So when she puts it under the public domain, you know what I mean? It's crazy. But I'm just again an update what going from the ground. Oh, before I forget, he is coming for you, the Lotto Man and Woman too. Yeah, this hombre is confirming what me been telling from years, that we're a dog, and all of the rest of the people them run squash is snitching. You see, man, I say put in the comment section where you think about that, because him say he might the first one for to let you know what going for not to go on when we're a dog get popped. But if you have been following me, you know say we provided that. You see, man, I say we had people on the scenes before the news people reached. You feel what I mean? The police were still setting up the yellow tape. You see, and you can see all of these screenshots from years ago until recently about what going for that to go on. You see, and you know them slap where L Gates slaps bones. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, they might talk up some things the people them say me in live and stuff. You see, cause a long time I not keep up with Joe case specifically, because when they get information when them did bury, because we have people over there, so too people, you know, so we know everything, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, let's hear what I say about this federal information. You see me? So let's like and share the video from now and let's get into it.
Brother afraid of butter, man. You're mad, brother. Oi, brother, him can't ramp in butter, man. Remember say anything Real Dog want a butter have a connection them, you know. Let me tell you, a butter have a, let me tell you, Real Dog knows him can't ramp with butter, you know. Because when butter they run him and Real Dog want a rental, a butter him go link for rental. If you want two Yankee foot soldier, a butter him go link. Me say me know everything. Alright. Good on the blood clotting.
It's north of where I am right now. Take a look at this video. When police got to the scene, they said that there were
some people, me tell you, it's because of them first up here, their friend. The case, remember say Real Dog give a whole heap of information, so then close the case. The case is a closed case. You have to be one abnormal evidence come in play. Free. You have to be one abnormal evidence come in play for your case for your work. But you want to say?
obvious signs that there was a
I go show you know, come remember I say I put up all the picture of the donkey. I go show you my people. Come on and ramp with me now. Look.
Like shell casings.
Remember
They put out evidence markers, but they didn't see at Dunkin' Donuts just a few minutes north of.
Can me put up a picture already where you know. Remember I said me put up a picture, you know. Look up like that.
Take a look at this video. When police got to the scene, they said that there were obvious signs that there was a shooting, like shell casings, and they put out evidence markers, but they didn't see any victims.
If you check my vlog, I first man drop a picture of the Dunkin' Donut where it happened. I the first man if you check my vlog them. What I'm telling you, man, we don't cap around here, man. When I get face they don't like and pine. I'm tell a boy say yo we have money, we don't come here, come beg, you know, see me come here, come beg, and we don't rank. We just come at the people know what I go on. Me and pint I first boy drop every picture of where whole incident happened. Remember as it happened, you know, remember say a month me depend this, you know. Remember say me. Remember say all the people if say Joe did bury now. Me make the people know say Joe not bury. Remember say me can re-resurrect the situation, you know. Cause World Dog them in a hold it down. They try to play off it through Joe and a TikToker. You understand? If you see a boy the name World Dog easy. You follow up the page. Cause all the people, I just know, say every vlog about Joe and World Dog situation and how he sell out the squash, I just want to go get it. We're not getting nowhere else. Anybody is going to film a vlog, then take them and use things out of my vlog. Cause I may have a scoop, I may have the information, I may have information doctrine. You hear me they tell you no? I may have information doctrine. You understand? Yeah man, World Dog sell out squash man, big time. World Dog. Remember when remember saying tax saying now got prison for nobody. Remember in tax if a man get kept, you come like you don't remember. You don't remember. You don't remember. You don't remember good man come out come talk. So if a man get catch with gun, then better warn it. Remember saying now got prison for nobody. You don't remember. You don't remember good no man. See they a squash tattoo with blood clot Joe and we World Dog tattoo of Joe. We World Dog loyalty them. We raise World Dog loyalty to Joe. He first dopey where they make him and blood clot big make a Joe. He first dopey World Dog and big make a Joe. Joe can arrest it and get blood clot Joe. I'm sure you see. Come Joe a few kids Joe having. Joe get a few kids, you know. It must feel like a joke business. I say, I can't believe say World Dog, I can't believe it first up in my BEGS have a joke. And then them on internet, not even a candle, to show you a long time they don't have to take out joke. Long time they don't have to take out joke World Dog, long time. I see World Dog I like candle for Nisha, and I like candle for man. Make all people that say Joe and bodyguard. You remember? When Joe just get alive, you know. When Joe just get alive, the people them they say Joe a World Dog bodyguard and World Dog no say Joe. And remember I know, alright, I go show you this when you know say one of the time when nothing now going for World Dog. Over Joe yard, World Dog they sleep. When Joe when live with him little sister. You don't know that. You know say one of the time when nothing now going for World Dog and squash red place. For World Dog go lay in headrest, go get headrest. How do you know they're sitting there? You don't know that. All heap of people don't know that. I say make a whole heap of me can go in history. None of them know what I talk about, you know. Really, all of them know, you know. They just, let me tell you the reason why I say it. I know me tell you. World Dog know all heap of things. Some of them cannot talk because it go stop at that problem. Me know that. But all of them know what me I say. They know all what me I say I go on. They know. What if people know. No, them feel they can use them big following and them. No, let me tell you something. And that's why I don't come out and come beg. Because they can't come talk about. First when I just come out and talk about, yeah man, I give him a look and likes and followers and rare. Remember me a hungry person on the internet. Me not come off of this. The amount of people me reach out to, law enforcement, hospital people, you know the amount of youth, you know, it just easy man. Because they know why I go open up one, I can open up a whole heap of can of worm. World Dog we want to be a boss, and because all the people around him rate squash and the girl on squash. That causes jealousy. You know, so World Dog went over Sicily when King Down had them that man jealous. He come like say, when the man them around him, the man them he like say, the man them a girl. And the man them feel they all over him. That's a real dark problem. Full time your man. You go on like say. All the people them they know how go on, but they true. I don't feel like say popularity make. I'm not afraid that no big rank man. When them fuck up man, you know say them fuck up. Cause if you hold on up on the internet and say the man don't come rep for Joe until this day. Remember say the man bring down Joe family them. Say Joe family make detective charge him for murder. Remember say the man say then charge him for the murder. Now that he said. The man them charge him for the murder. Now that real dog say. So how no? You can't, if you check your website, you can't see no charge for his name. Now that real dog say. Now that real dog say man them do charge him for Joe murder. Now that he said. Joe family make then charge him for murder. Now that him say. So where he charge there? You know see say man a lion. You know see say man a lion. A BEGS in send out when me drop his vlogs and he see everybody now start pressure him. He make this a sour mouth, so the blood clot one up or so. We sit down every day they walk around and sell blood clot weed in Florida and they go like him a gangster. This is one of the walk around in Florida they sell blood clot weed like him a gangster. And him he make jump out the contract fuckery. And they know what they do to Joe and then first dopey. The man with that youth. And then they tell the walk on they talk about oh Joe never do nothing feel. At the 6 them Joe do things for. Right dog, you have a blood clot karma they coming. You have your karma they coming. You have your karma there. You feel say this 6 them don't know what you do. You feel say they don't know what you do. Your feel say the 6 them don't know what you do. Hey. Me talk everything we go play out before a blood clot play out. Me not ready to talk when next go play out. Me not ready to talk when next go play out.
Yeah, it's crazy. No loyalty. Anyway, we're not going longer. This no longer. Yes, amen. Bless.